I think yoga is a very experiential thing. I think that a lot of people think about it as exercise, and it can be, but I think it's really more about what's going on in your mind and the connection between your mind and your body, rather than, you know, sweating or any of the other things. And those are all great things, and I love exercise and I do it myself, but it's not yoga. Yoga to me is very meditative. It's very a lot of exercise. Like if you run, you might notice that you're sort of getting out of your head, you know, you're clearing your mind. And with yoga, you can't get out of your head. You have to go inward and you have to really connect. So it's just a different way of thinking about things. And I think when you're going through what all of these people are going through, whether they're previvors and they're thinking about having surgery, or whether they're just had surgery and are trying to reclaim their body back, or they're cancer survivors who have gone through treatment and surgery, or they're even, you know, a caregiver, somebody who's not been affected by cancer, but maybe their spouse or their child has. It's really difficult, you know, it's really hard. And a lot of times you're just shuttling from appointment to appointment and, you know, just sort of like, okay, what's the next thing? What's the next thing? And you're not taking the time to say, well, how do I feel about all this and what's going on inside of me? And I think the culture we live in, it's really not necessarily encouraged, or people just don't have the time for that inward reflection. And I feel like a yoga class kind of forces you to make that connection.